there are major business opportunities between the companies of the two countries. We had a business delegation from Turkey, from Kayseri last week. They had some business meetings, bilateral meetings between the Slovene companies and themselves. I hope outcome will be, fruitful. They will have results. And today we have an audit and accountancy company from Turkey. They will tell us about, how to do business in Turkey, some practical information and some, legislation information. I think it will be useful for Slovene companies which wants to do business in Turkey or with Turkish companies.
Our company established in Istanbul. We will give services in Istanbul. The establishment a company, auditing services, accounting services, reporting, and establishment a ERP system in Turkey. We have some foreign clients from Slovenia. The Slovenian companies are clients in Istanbul.
I think it's going well. It's increasing. These type of relations are increasing. There are still much more opportunities to cooperate in construction, in tourism, in manufacturing like automotive and spare parts, and wood industry, pharmaceuticals. We shouldn't say pharmaceuticals specifically, but like chemistry. There are a lot of fields we can cooperate. Transportation is an important one.